Hello guys, today is Monday and we are going to analyze gold market for you guys for entire this week. And unfortunately I couldn't upload a video for past week that I was analyzing the gold market. Look, I just want to show you the things here that I was analyzing on a weekly time frame. Guys, today, um, I just come into weekly time frame as you guys can see here, and you know I just said that maybe price come up to sweep all this liquidity here. Actually we just had a um, huge trend line structural liquidity here, and we have a huge gap already here in a weekly time frame, as you guys can see. I thought maybe price can come up to sweep this liquidity, and after that maybe price keep going up, or we can see the price coming down to fill this gap here. Okay, then I just go in a daily time frame and I start analyzing about the daily 4 hour time frame and do things. Unfortunately I couldn't upload the video for you guys. So right now if I go in a weekly time frame, you guys can see that we just sweep this liquidity here. um, Let me just fix this, thank you. Yeah, as you guys can see, we just sweep this heavy liquidity here, and we also have this gap, and maybe, as I told you, price can keep go up or down. Let's go in a daily time frame. So as you guys can see, price actually did something like the V alphabet. As you guys can see, we just come down really sharp, we just go up also really sharp too. So after we just fill this huge gap and we tap into this doji candle, actually demand zone, this doji candle push the price up for us. So let me just fix this ones. As you guys can see, we just also break the high, the daily high here. So we have a change of character in the market right now, and we have to wait and be patient to the price reach into some demand zone, or a good reason that may be the reason push the price down for us. So right now in the current time we have this supply zone here in the daily time frame that is really good for us, that it can say maybe this supply zone can push the price down for us, to see that maybe price come down, fill the gaps here and these things. So this dashes line is really important for me. These are the really important price for me. As you guys can see, if price come into this supply zone here, you guys can short go for a short here with entry point. So let's go in a 4 hour time frame. As you guys can see, this is the structure of 4 hour time frame, these orange circles, and right now we are between this low and high, and in a 4 hour time frame we are in an uptrend. So we can trust for going for a long trades too, but be careful about the supply zone that I show you in a daily time frame. And right now you guys can see we just had a gap. Actually price reacted to 50% of this gap here, and after that price just go up for a little bit, actually for this much peep, as you guys can see. So the reason why price just take the shadow like this one here, I guess it was about the news that we had in the market, and this demand zone could push the price up back again here. So we also have this equal low liquidities, the huge gap here, as you guys can see in a 4 hour time frame and the daily time frame too, and demand zones also. So right now in the daily time frame, let me tell you why price just reject this supply zone here. Okay, and actually lots of traders get stop lost here, get stop hunted here, their stop get hunt. So let's back into the passive market. As you guys can see, we just have a gap here, right? This is a gap. If I continue this gap, oh my god, let me just fix this one here. I want to just tell you the reason. Okay, you guys can see the price just come and tap into the 50% of this gap in a 4 hour time frame, and after that price go down. And this is the reason why I told you guys in my previous video also that if you see a gap or liquidity, above the supply zones, be careful about the gap and the liquidities. Maybe price go up to sweep the liquidity or fill half of the gap, and after that go down. So, and this was the reason that why actually price didn't respect to the supply zone, and lots of traders get stop hunted here. So right now in the current time we are between this range in a 4 hour time frame. I don't know actually right now what the price want to do, but you guys could go for a short here, or if you was really careful about the gap, you could go also in a 50% of this gap. And the reason why you could go for a short, it was because of this liquidity here, as you guys can see, and also the supply zones. So yeah, we just did this thing. So I don't have any trade for today actually. If you was a good trader, you could get this short, or maybe here again you're gonna get this short from here if you was a patient guy. So, and your target could would be this the 50% of this gap here. So it was about this concept here in the 4 hour time frame. If I just want to go in a 1 hour time frame and analyze the 1 hour time frame, you guys also can see the structure in a 1 hour time frame. These blue circles are the structure in a 1 hour time frame. As you guys can see, we just had a gap here. We sweep the liquidity. Actually, we did change of character in a 1 hour time frame in the market. And if we break this low here, we have break of structure in a 1 hour time frame. And the reason again why price is coming down right now at this current time, it was because of this supply zone here, and these supply zone actually are working really good for us because two reasons actually. The first reason is this supply zone pushed the price really down for really fast, pushed the price down for us really fast. And as you guys can see, while price was coming up back, once price was trying to come into this supply zone here, price was coming up with time divergence actually really slowly, and price was creating the liquidity for us. So that was the reason that you guys could go for a short again in a 1 hour time frame. And your TP can be this dimension here. Okay, you could, for example, do this. Actually, maybe you get stop hunted, as you guys can see here, and this is the TP for you guys. Actually, 4.39 is really good. I didn't take this short because I didn't have the computer, and I really didn't care about this supply zone here, so I didn't take the short right now. And yeah, this was all about the market. And maybe you guys see in the daily time frame price come up and reached into this supply zone, and you guys can go for a really good short because we just did change of character in the market. So you guys need to be patient and see to price reach this supply zone to go for a short. And I'm 80% sure that price will see the supply zone here, or if price didn't reach to this level, maybe we are going to have a trading range, maybe between this range, okay, or maybe we see price just come down to fill this gap here. So we can see these three things, but the first and important thing is that maybe 80% price can come and reach to the supply zone, and after that, if we didn't see the price going up to reach the supply zone, maybe we can see the trading range. So be careful about these things, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.